Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Fiza Freelancing Only. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are reviewing an inspiring TED Talk by Sidra Iqbal. The title of this talk is How to Build a New Tomorrow for Yourself. If you have ever felt like a failure, doubted yourself, or wondered whether it's too late to start over, this talk is for you. So let's explore the key lessons from this powerful presentation and discuss how we can apply them in our lives. So Sidra Iqbal shares her personal experiences of failure, self-doubt, and rebuilding her life. She reminds us that success is not a straight road. Every successful person has experienced setbacks, disappointments, and moments where giving up seemed easier than continuing. The real difference is that successful people don't allow failure to become their identity. Instead, they learn from it and keep moving forward. One of the strongest ideas in this talk is that many people believe once I become successful, then I will be happy. Once I become successful, I enjoy my life. Hosisra completely challenges this belief. She explains that happiness actually comes first. When we are calm, grateful, and emotionally healthy, we make better decisions, become more creative, and perform better in every area of life. I completely agree with this point. Many people spend years chasing money or fame while forgetting to enjoy the present moment. Success feels much more meaningful when it comes with peace of mind. Sidra used a beautiful example. She compares failure to solar eclipse. During an eclipse, the sun has not disappeared. It's simply hidden for a short time. The same is true in life. Just because you are facing difficulties today does not matter. Your light is gone. She also says if you want to shine like the sun, you must be prepared to burn like the sun. That means growth always requires sacrifice, patience, and hard work. So this analogy is one of my favorite parts of the talk. It reminds us that difficult times are temporary. Every challenge teaches us something valuable if we are willing to learn. Sitra says something very powerful. If you live for people's approval, you will eventually suffer from their rejection. Many of us make career choices, educational decisions, or life goals based on society's expectation instead of our own dreams. She encourages everyone to ask, are these really my dreams? Or are they someone else's expectation? So this is especially relevant today because social media constantly pushes us to compare ourselves with others. Instead of comparing your journey with someone else, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Another important lesson is that our perfection influences our emotions. Many times we suffer more from our imagination than from reality itself. Fear, anxiety, and stress often become habits. Most, but positivity, confidence, and resilience can also become habits if we practice them daily. So this reminds us that mindset matters. Changing the way we think can completely change the way we experience life. Sidra explains that having small goals limits our motivation. When our mission is connected to to helping others, serving our community, or improving society, we discover a much deeper purpose. A purpose bigger than ourselves gives us strength during difficult times. This is an inspiring message. When your work benefits others, success becomes more meaningful and long lasting. Overall, I found this TED Talk extremely inspiring. It is not just about motivation, it's about changing how we think about failure, happiness, and success. The practical examples, personal stories, and simple language make the message easy to understand. Whether you are a student, professional, entrepreneur, or someone going through a difficult phase, this talk offers valuable life lessons. So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more TED Talk reviews and educational content. I will love also to hear from you. What was your biggest takeaway from Sidra Iqbal talk? Let me know in the comment. We will meet again. Until then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz everyone.